Hello, power bank. So with this power bank, you get a breathable mesh power bank holder, your charging cable, and this is it. What I love about this power bank, if we press here, you can see it lights up, and this indicates how much power you have left. So there's only 3. So over here would be fully charged. Let's go ahead and demonstrate. You got a USB port on here. You got your Type-C port on here as well. Just a nice, sleek design. You got your wireless right on there as well. So let's go ahead and demonstrate this for y'all. So how this is gonna work, you're gonna see it should be a charging symbol come up on my screen here if it's actually working. So we place this on right here, and there you go. So it's now charging. Pull this off and show you guys again. So we set this up, let's line it up right here, and there you go. Takes about 1 to 2 seconds for it to start. And there's a blue indicator light right on here. So you can charge it wirelessly, or you could just simply go ahead and take your cable that they provide you with, connect it into your Type-C port, just like this, and it should show. Let's see, there we go. Wirelessly charging. Well, not wirelessly, but what happens if you put it on when it's charging? Nothing happens. But yeah, you can charge it wirelessly or with the cable they provide you.